Well, my little s'mores. Today, life needs more miWorld. Because I'm here with the DQ collector pack. And it has, let's see what this magical ball of sweet delight has. Okay. 1 blizzard treat, 1 Orange Julius smoothie, 1 shake, 1 Acrtic Rush, and 2 sundaes. So, let's open this up. And see guys, if you didn't watch the other miWorld videos, well, as you already know, the second you open them up, they have a bag inside. So let's pull out this bag. And I knew it. What? Stickers? What? I thought they were all printed. What? No! You have to personally put them on yourself. And personally, now I find these things annoying. Now I'm afraid to get the sets. What happens if you get the sets? You have to all these stickers to put on? Sticker after sticker. Woohoo. Totally how I want to spend my afternoon. Okay, letter. Okay, there it is. Let's look at everything. Okay. I just want to see what everything looks like. If you don't want the stickers, maybe that's what they're trying to do. Let you have an option of not putting on the stickers if you don't want it. Because I can perfectly have these not with the stickers. If I want to. I mean, if I want to. There's these plain little drinks and stuff. But, let's put on the stickers. Anyway. Because it's just stickers. They're not going to hurt anybody. Nobody is going to get hurt with a bunch of stickers. And I can't because when cutting it, I did that. I removed the sticker with its backing. Ah! Telephones. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but our telephone's ringing. The phone is ringing. Okay. Shh! Phone. Goodness, I'm trying to film. And I'm frustrated because I can't get the sticker off. What did I do? Lesson to all of you, do not do that. I, by mistake, detached it. It's pretty interesting that I detached it so well. In the shape of it. Did it! Yas! Oh, man. Goodness. So, bam! There's one sticker, and I have to put the other DQ. Okay, this one's not as bad. It's slowly falling apart, but I got it off. Whoopee! Okay, let's put it on direct opposite side of this, because everyone knows that they must be equal. Did it! So, get the Arctic. Okay, I officially now know that all of these things are not exactly. You can punch them out if you want to. I don't know if you guys can see the little creases, but you can probably punch these guys out if you want to. And, yeah. Don't know why, but you can. Because it's pretty annoying when you're trying to get these. That they're telling you. Well, they're not telling you. But they want you to, what? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Because it's so annoying. I just dropped a sticker. Okay, I have it now. I have it back. Wait a minute, that's weird. Oh, it has something in it. Oh, that's cool. Cool. Cooler-rooney. Okay, let's not say that. Cooler-rooney's weird. Okay. Ah! The Blizzard sign is even worse than the DQ logo. Oh, the frustration. goodness. You know, this automatically drops your rating score, your viewing score, to a pretty low 4 because of this. Okay, you're stressing me out with all these little stickers. Be like Lego, print them on, please. It's a lot easier for a lot of us. That's weird. Why's mine orange? Mine's red. It looks pink on the package, but it's red. Ah, it's red. Oh, hold on. I have to get rid of my Orange Julius because I'm supposed to take out the circle in the middle. Even more frustrating. A circle is in the middle of this thing. What? Like, seriously, you want us to get that much off? I can't do that on a daily basis. You know, start taking out these circles. Is that why they're all punched out things? So you can punch out the circle? Actually, surprisingly, the Orange Julius sign is a lot easier to take off than all the other ones. For some reason, I don't know. But it just is. You know what's really weird? When you see them on the picture, they look so different. So I'm going to compare the picture, ignore the stickers, because the stickers I tried my best with, compared to the real thing. Okay. Ahem. Number 1, we should go with the first one on the list. One blizzard treat. Here is the blizzard. Let's face this down. That is a blizzard, right? Yes, it is. Okay. Pretty well made and stuff. Got the little... It looks pretty much close to the picture. Good. Advertised well. Of course, on every toy package they say colors may vary. Well, Orange Julius smoothie. Here we go. Here's an Orange Julius. They actually have an orange one and another thing that we'll review later. And here you go. Well, okay. Notice the color. And by the way, the straws are very bendy, so if you bump stick sit on this, sorry, but it's perfect. I don't think it will break the movie bendy. Look at the picture. Pink, red, pink, red, pink, red. I wanted a pink one. Crying in the inside. Okay. One shake, which I think might be this thing. Here's a shake. And it looks pretty much there, except that one's a light brown. But I don't care. I like it like this. It's pretty. The straw is bendy. All the straws are bendy. Except for the one in the blizzard, because that's supposed to be representative of a spoon in there, not a straw. So, they're very well detailed. I mean, the smoothie even has like the texture of all that, you know, chopped the fruit in the smoothie. And here is the Acrtic Rush, which looks as advertised. Pretty nice. You can't remove anything. The straw's bendy. A lot of this stuff can't be removed, or it would have come removed. Okay, now time for the little sundaes. Look at these lovely clear bowls. Look at the picture. Those aren't clear. But I'm not complaining, because I like it like this. Little cute clear bowls, except you don't have a spoon, but I guess you have to get a spoon. So I have to say, I rate this thing a 4, because the stickers are such a pain. But otherwise, it's a great set. So please like this video and subscribe for more epicness. So, bye guys. And the link will be in the description where you can get it. So, well, I guess that's a bye. I love these things. I guess they're perfect. I guess they're perfect size for a lot of stuff. But I'm going to use it for this. Waha! I got my smoothie over here. Slurp. Sugar Rush! Ah! 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 Oh, sugar. Sugar, 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 sugar! Bye. Just just one more thing before all that sugar rush happened. Let's talk about Arctic Rush. Because I forgot to tell you guys that, see that? How it's lighter? There's actually like this simulated ice slush thing in there. See it? It's right there. Anyway, that's where it is. And actually, if you shake it, you can hear the thing move. It's not that thing. It's liquid inside. Hear it? I don't know if you hear it or not. Shaking! Okay. Those ones don't work if you shake. But anyway, so that's all I wanted to tell you. Now you can leave me and get yourself one of these. I bet you guys are thirsty, so here you go. Here you go. Slurp. I bet you guys are refreshed. Bye!